Of our project is design and fabrication of advanced mechanism for Indian toilet door cleaning with multi-washer assembly. We have taken our idea from Swachh Bharat hackathon competition. We nurtured that idea. The main emphasis of our project is we have to address the issue of manual scavenging. As there is a manual intervention of labor in cleaning, it is considered as an embarrassing practice. So, a due care has been taken that this project should act as a facilitator for an operator rather than acting as a barrier, and it should be easily accessible and affordable. Now let's shift focus towards working of the fabricated model. The entire system operates on 12 volt and 7.5 ampere. There are altogether 5 switches. We have employed 9 motors altogether. Okay, when first switch is pressed, which is meant for basement cleaning, press it down. These side brushes are provided with simultaneous rotational as well as horizontal motion, which can be used for rough as well as finish cleaning. Okay. When second switch is pressed, which is meant for the water flowing, press it down. This pipeline is provided through which the water flows, and from that outlet it is sprinkled over the dome and inside surface of the sheet. Okay. Third and fourth switch are meant for up and down movement of the inside brushes. Here rack and pinion mechanism is provided. Pinion slides on this rack so that brushes moves up and down. A smaller brush is provided for the dome cleaning, and comparatively larger brush is provided for internal surface cleaning of the sheet. And last piece is meant for 360-degree rotation, so that scrubbing action, so that twisting, turning, scrubbing action can take place. These brushes also facilitate rough as well as finish cleaning. Okay, this is all about our project. Thank you.